What's good YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alva. Kung bago kayo dito sa channel, it's all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So today, I'll take you guys through a leg workout. This is under Grant Teng's program for me, specifically. I'll take you guys through all the hamstring and quad exercises. And I'll also teach you guys how to use the machines. Kasi marami hindi alam paano gamitin yung machines, natatakot sa machines, diba? Or kung nagmamachines man, mali yung paggamit. But first, we'll take some pre-workout. Salamat, Athleen. And I'll just finish this, then we'll get to the first exercise. First workout, Romanian Deadlift. So para sa hamstrings, dito. So this is a hinge movement. How I set it up is, kung may cage kayo na somewhat like this, nilalagay ko tong safety sa lowest part so I can just easily unrack it. Common problem nakikita ko is like people squat, diba? What you want to do is hinge out, butt out, keep the bar as close to your shins as possible, feet a bit shoulder width apart. So hinge, puwet out. How I bias the hamstrings more is I hinge, then bend ako konti sa dulo. Stretch. Keep your back straight, core tight. So if you're doing a warm-up, do the same exercise pero lighter weight. So that's how you can gauge how you're feeling, if you can go heavy this day, diba? Shoulder width apart, hinge out, slow as I can go. Important dito eccentrics, guys. You want to feel the stretch sa hamstring, so go slow. Hindi kailangan mag-touch sa floor ng weight kasi this is an RDL. Tsaka guys, huwag kayong naka-neck up. Just look at the point sa floor para easier on your spine. So I'm gonna show you guys an actual working set. So this is 130 kilograms. Nagbe-belt ako to help me brace my core para hindi masakit sa lower back ko. Also, use straps pag mabigat. Kasi minsan limiting factor yung grip dyan. So we have 5 to 6 reps of this, the first set. Then yung next sets ko, back offsets na mas magaan konti. Big inhale. Brace core. Okay, so that was top set. This is our first back off set. 8 reps. So ginaanon ko, minus 10 kilos per side. So this is 110, I think. Pero yeah. Next exercise, guys, we have the leg curl. So, ito yung pinakagusto kong leg curl. Hindi ako masyadong fan nung nakadapa, pero okay rin lang naman yun. So, how I set this up is I set the seat na level yung knees ko dito sa may rotation. Then, for this part, I want this pad to be the shortest. So, dito siya banda for me. It's easier for me to curl. Now, you'd want to lock this as tight as possible. Nasa-stretch na agad yung hamstring. What you want to do is put your lower back sa pad, and the reason for these, so you can push against. We'll try to do 10 to 12. So one tip is also to have your toes up. Mas ma-feel mo siya sa hamstrings mo kasi nakaganon. Then, it's important na you lock this. Ooh. Okay guys, next workout we have leg press para sa quads. So, the first thing you want to do is to set this seat height lower. So kung nakaganyan siya, you have to put it lower para deeper stretch, full range of motion, and it's easier for you to go lower, basically. Tapos itong part na to, this is the stopper. Your foot placement matters. Okay? So some people do it like this. Ako, preference ko ganyan. A little bit wider, pero lower for my quads. Kasi I get a deeper stretch pag wider foot siya. Itong mga to, this is to unrack it and rack it safely. So, kick, unrack. Now, you want to be holding these handles. So you connect your butt to this pad. The lower you go, nakapull ka lang dyan. Dapat hindi umaangat yung lower back mo and yung butt mo. If you're going down kasi masakit sa lower back yan, that can cause a lot of injury. Just go as low as you can comfortably. Now, when it comes to locking out, maraming natatakot, pero it should be safe if you can control the weight. Kaya dapat hindi ka overly greedy dito or ego lifter sa leg press. Yun yung mga nakikita niyang nababalian ng legs. So what you want to do is slow eccentric, leg press, then lock in. Okay guys, this is a warm-up set. So we have 25, 25, 25, 150 total. Ito kasi yung first quad movement ko. So I like to warm it up before I eventually go to a working set. So remember, foot placement for quads. Unlock, lower back, pull, go as deep as you can. Whatever's comfortable for you. Yung locking out, di mo kailangan mag-lock out if you're not comfortable. But you want sana the constant tension sa muscle that you're working. If you're confident with the weight that you can carry, then you can lock out. It's safe to lock out. Basta wag ka lang mag-ego lift, wag ka maging greedy. That's how you get injured. take as long as you need. Huwag niyo mamadaliin yung workout. Kasi ganun na i-injure kapag minamadali yung workout. Or pag mali yung form, I'm out of breath. Pero that's what an actual working set looks like. Honestly guys, dati hindi ako nag-leg press kasi tatakot ako dito. Pero salamat Grant at in-introduce niya sa akin to kasi this has helped me grow my legs. Talaga. So kung may goals kayong palakin legs nyo or whatnot, yung leg press solid. Okay guys, next, leg extensions, again for the quads. So the first thing I set up is yung seat height. So nililinya ko lang siya dito sa rotation. So you can see my knee is a little bit past this. So set ko muna siya. So this is pretty good. Tapos itong para sa feet, I set it usually sa in line with my ankles. Diba? Close to the shins na. Pwede na ang shin to ankle. Kasi yung quad naman yung gusto mo ditong i-work. People are leaning forward too much. Gusto mo, slight lean okay lang. Pero I like to keep my back sa pad kahit konting lean. Then, you want your hands to pull your body sa bench and let yourself extend your legs. One. So guys, let's do one full working set. Hindi ko na record yung other sets kasi haba-haba na ng video. Pero again, back sa pad, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Constant tension. Last but not least guys, calf press. So pwede mo naman siyang gawin sa leg press, pero pwede mo rin siyang gawin dito sa selectorized na horizontal leg press. So the things you have to remember, ako, personally, I prefer taking off my shoes kasi mas nafe-feel ko talaga siya. You can adjust your seat. Hindi kailangan sobrang lapit, hindi kailangan sobrang layo. Basta, nabibigyan mo ng enough stretch yung calves mo because we are targeting the calves here. So, what you want to do is straighten out the leg. Slow and controlled eccentric. Stretch, fast concentric. Slow, controlled. You can do a 1-second hold here. Sakit talaga to. Get that stretch in. Legs straight, hold. Give the full stretch, eccentrics, press. Slow, hold at the stretch. So guys, yun yung mga go-to leg exercises ko that have helped me put on some mass on my legs. Sana nakatulong, especially how to use the equipment properly. Kasi marami ako nakikita pag nag-gym sila, sayang yung effort eh. Kasi if hindi na ma-maximize if they don't know how to use the machines. Kaya hopefully nakatulong ako with your RDLs, your hamstring curls, your leg presses, and your calf and leg extensions. Diba? So if you enjoy this type of content, let me know down in the comments. I might do my other days of training, showcase ko sa inyo, papakita ko sa inyo how I execute them properly. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.